Hello
everyone, we're from
MASA,
which stands for Mongolia APU Student Association.
Hello, I'm Anu.
My name is Bitkonseha, but everyone calls me Benny.
私の名前はマラです。
Hello, my name is Amana.
Okay, so in 2018 fall semester, we established Mongolian APU Student Association in order to bring all Mongolian students together. And also, the most importantly, we wanted to organize Mongolian Week in APU.
So currently we have 38 Mongolian students and one Japanese Filipino student.
I currently am the head of the internal division. So what the internal division does is we pretty much host welcoming events, bonding parties, and such festivals. So I'm pretty glad to be part of it.
で実際に APU に来た後に自分の国のウィークがその10年前に行われていて、で今はないっていう状況も知って、自分がその自分の国に貢献したいなと思ってこの団体に入りました。
I felt that I should join the community that raises awareness of Mongolians within my fellow Mongolians, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to present our nationality and our culture within the APU horizon.
And my role was mainly to push everyone to one direction and make sure everyone is going in one line, and also keep everyone motivated.
The grand show was on Friday, and on Monday night the leaders called us and they told us we had to make solo dances, and I taught Nyamka with the dance with the hands in 2 hours that night, and then the next day she could remember everything, and then the next day we practiced it all day, and then it was ready for the show on Friday.
We were so overwhelmed. We didn't think we were able to do it. I think especially through Mongolian Week, we got to know each other a lot better. So it feels more like a family than just students.
I live with Mongolians, so try to know more about them, and this week was a very great opportunity for me.
I think the best moment for me was the actual grand show. There were so many emotions going on, and everyone did their part really perfectly.
I wish Mongolian community will continue what we have accomplished, because spreading the culture will not stop by only making one Mongolian week.
次回モンゴルウィークがまた開催される機会があればぜひ参加していただきたいと思います。
I've learned a lot about Mongolian culture, the Mongolian people, Mongolian society, and I would love to do it again.
A weight has been removed off my chest, but at the same time, I want it back because it was such a good memory, and I would love to be a part of it again.